Navios Maritime Acquisition Corporation has been acquired by Navios Maritime Partners. So this notification came in about 10 minutes ago. Navios Maritime Acquisition has been acquired by Navios Maritime Partners. Based on the ratio of 0.1275 Navios Maritime Partners per every one Navios Maritime Acquisition shares held, previous investors are due to a distribution of Navios Maritime Partners. So 0.27, 0.2671, so on and so forth. Navios Maritime Partners shares have been allocated to your account accordingly. And then about 4 minutes after, your 2.09 shares of NNA have been liquidated for €0 per share. So that scared me a bit when I saw it, because it said that I've been given new shares of a different company after losing my 2 shares of Navios Maritime Acquisition that I had. But the market, the US market, doesn't open for another half an hour. So I'm going to wait until the market opens and then see if the new shares come in. Now it is quite scary, but as I've said many times before, one of the plus sides of this strategy is that if for some reason I either don't get the shares or I didn't qualify for this distribution or anything like that, I had 2 shares, so I'll lose about $7. That's €6. So that's the one plus side of being this diversified. However, if this acquisition was extremely profitable, I wouldn't get a big profit because my position is so small. So that's both sides of the coin of what I'm doing, basically. I can get a notification like this, and instead of it terrifying me, I know that I only have a few dollars or a few euro invested. So I have a lot less to worry about. I'm a lot less exposed to the risk. But I'll see what happens when the market opens, because I know that dividends can still come in as soon as the European markets, different ones, open. Dividends start coming in even from American companies. So I think it must be when this platform itself starts processing the dividends, then they start coming in. Because I do receive dividends when the US market's closed, but maybe not the shares. But we'll see soon enough. Okay, so the market's been open for a little while and nothing has happened. Where's it gone? Yes. Nothing has happened yet. And there was a previous acquisition that happened, I think it was a week or 2 weeks ago, of Magal Security Systems became Senstar Technologies. That was instant. However, I had a quick look online, and as I was typing in my question, the first thing that popped up was how long does a acquisition distribution take? And most of the answers were saying that it can take a while and you could be looking at 6 months waiting. So I'm not going to hold my breath. And as I just said, my investment strategy of having lots of small positions means that even if I've lost my entire position of Navios Maritime Acquisition, it means I've lost about €6, which of course is not bad. It's not great. I wouldn't be too happy about it, but not the end of the world. So this is the risk. You know, when people say there's no such thing as a safe investment and your money is always at risk, this is just one of those risks. And it didn't only happen today, so I could get the shares of the new company today or tomorrow or at some stage within the next 6 months. But it's important to know that these things can happen. And say now, for example, if this was the first time that this had happened to me, I would probably be pretty freaked out. You know, it said there's been an acquisition. If I didn't know what that meant, that would just confuse me. And then the next notification was your shares have been liquidated for nothing. You know, so it's a scary one, but the important thing is that I know that it can take a while to go through, so just have to wait and see.